everyone! Today let's talk about emotions, those signals from your body. Think of emotions like alerts, happiness when you get a puppy, nervousness before a big test, or sadness after an argument. Everyone has emotions. These feelings matter because they're your body's way of looking out for you. Nervousness can help you focus, and sadness reminds you that something is important. Understanding your emotions is like learning a new language. There are no good or bad emotions, just like there's no good or bad weather. You can't control your feelings, but you can learn how to handle them. Every emotion gives you information. Happiness says keep going, sadness says you've lost something, fear says be careful, and anger says something isn't right. The trick is to listen to these messages without letting them take over. That's how you become the boss of your feelings. And being the boss? That's a superpower. Middle school is an emotional roller coaster. Your brain and life are changing fast, so it's normal for your feelings to be all over the place. Triggers set off big emotions like crowded cafeterias or bad grades. Knowing your triggers helps you prepare for big feelings. Strong feelings aren't bad, they're real and deserve attention. But you don't have to act on every feeling right away. For example, instead of shutting down when frustrated in math, Leo now asks for help. Instead of feeling left out in group chats, Maya puts her phone down and does something she enjoys. They didn't stop having feelings, they just found better ways to handle them. You can do the same. Notice your triggers and try new ways to respond. Middle school is tough, but you're not alone. Your feelings are valid and you can handle them. How do you know what you're feeling? Become an emotion detective. Your body gives you clues. Fast heartbeat for anxiety, clenched fists for anger, heavy chest for sadness. Once you spot a clue, name the feeling. Frustration, jealousy, excitement. Naming it makes it less scary and more manageable. Instead of I feel bad, try I feel lonely because my friends made plans without me. Expressing feelings is important. Talk to someone you trust, write in a journal, or get active. Moving your body helps move emotions through you. But don't lash out or ignore your feelings. Yelling or pretending nothing's wrong usually makes things worse, and blaming others won't help. You're in charge of how you respond. That's your power. Use it wisely. The more you practice, the better you'll get at understanding yourself. Emotions are clues, not problems. Pay attention and you'll know what you need. You've got this. Now that you know your feelings and triggers, here are some tips to handle big emotions. Try an emotional check-in. Pause and ask, how am I feeling right now? The stop method helps too. Stop, take a breath, observe your feelings, and proceed with a choice. This gives you space between feeling and reacting. Build an emotional first aid kit. Make a list of things that help you feel better, like music, drawing, or calling a friend. When you're upset, pick something from your kit. Remember, emotions aren't problems to fix. They're guides. Learning to handle them takes practice, so be patient with yourself. The more you understand your feelings, the better you'll understand others. That's emotional intelligence, and it helps everywhere. School, friends, life. You're not alone in this. Everyone has big feelings sometimes. Use these tools, and you'll get better at handling them. Be your own best friend. You're amazing just as you are. Go out there and own your feelings.